Hey guys, welcome to our channel Solution with Fun Mania, and today we are going to take up these elements and create a BST. So in the last module we got a request to create the binary search tree of these elements from Vishal Lind. So here is the answer for the question that was asked. So these are the elements, and using these elements we have to create a binary search tree. So the basic rule of creating binary search tree is that suppose we are given with basic three elements 1, 2 and 3, then like suppose then the other element is 0, then for creating the binary search tree of these elements, what we will do, we will pick up the first element and put it as a root. Then we will check the next element that whether it is greater than the element inserted as a root or it is less than that. If it is greater, it will be inserted in the right, else it will be inserted in the left side. Now 3, we will always start insertion from the root node. Like first we will compare it with the root, and then in that manner we will proceed. Suppose now we are taking here element 3, so it is greater than 1, so we will move to the right. Now 3 is greater than 2 sorry, so we will move to the right and insert this element finally. And now checking 0, so we will compare it with the root node 1. Now since 0 is smaller than 1, so it will be inserted to the left of 1. So similarly, applying this kind of process, we will create a BST using these elements. So our first element is 15, so it will move to the root. Now the second element is 3, which is smaller than 15. So it will be inserted to the left of 15. The next element 4, it is smaller to 15, so we will move to the left. But now 4 is greater than 3, so we will insert it to the right of 3. Comparing 13 with the root 15, we will move to the left, and now we will move to the right of 3 since 13 is greater than 3. Now moving to the right of 4 since 13 is greater than 4. Inserting it here. Similarly, we will compare 14 with the root. Since it is smaller than 15, we will move to the left. Now 14 is greater than 3, so we will move to the right. 14 is again greater than 4, so we will move to the right. Again, it is greater than 13, so we will insert it in the right side of 13. Taking 12 in consideration, we see here that it is smaller than 15, so we will move to the left. Greater than 3, moving to the right. Greater than 4, moving to the right. But since 12 is smaller than 13, so we will insert it to the left of 13. Now it's over. Now comparing 5, since it is smaller than 15, we will move to the left. It is greater than 3, moving to the right. Greater than 4, moving to the right. Smaller than 13, moving to the left. Smaller than 12, finally we will insert it here to the left of 12. 1, which is smaller than 15, so moving to the left. And now it is smaller than 3, so we will insert it to the left of 3. 8, it is smaller than 15, so moving to the left. It is greater than 3, moving to the right. Greater than 4, moving to the right. Smaller than 13, since 8 is smaller than 13, so we will move to the left. Now it is smaller than 12, so moving to the left. Now 8 is greater than 5, obviously, so we will insert it to the right of 5. Now comparing 2 with 15, since it is smaller than 15, we will move to the left. It is smaller than 3, moving to the left, but now it is greater than 1, so we will insert it to the right of 1. Now comparing 7 with 15, we see that 7 is smaller than 15, so moving to the left. Greater than 3, so moving to the right. Greater than 4, moving to the right. Smaller than 13, moving to the left. Smaller than 12, moving to the left. 7 is greater than 5, so moving to the right. But since 7 is smaller than 8, we will insert it to the left of it. Now comparing 9 with 15. Sorry. So 9 is smaller than 15, so moving to the left. Greater than 3, moving to the right. greater than 4, moving to the right, smaller than 13, moving to the left, smaller than 9, moving to the left, greater than 5, moving to the right, and since 9 is greater than 8, we will insert it to the right of 8. 11. 11 is smaller than 15, so we will move to the left, greater than 3, moving to the right, greater than 4, moving to the right, smaller than 13, moving to the left, smaller than 12, moving to the left, greater than 5, moving to the right, greater than 8, moving to the right, and now finally we will insert it to the right of 9. Now, this is the second last element that we have got to insert. So this is smaller than 15, so we will move to the left. 6 is greater than 3, so we will move to the right. Now, since 6 is again greater than 4, we will move to the right. It is smaller than 13, so we will move to the left. It is smaller than 12, we will move to the left. But it is greater than 5, so we will move to the right. Now 6 is smaller than 8, so we will move to the left. Now since 6 is smaller than 7, we will move to the left and insert it here. Finally, we have got the element 20, which is greater than 15, obviously. So we will insert it to the right of 15.